How to deposit in Zebpay. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money or deposit money into your Zebpay account. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your Zebpay account. After that, go to the profile located right at the bottom. So after you've done that, you'll be able to find two different options, that is either to deposit or to withdraw. So go ahead and select deposit. As soon as you've done selecting deposit, scroll down right to the bottom and click on got it. You need to open up the bank account from where you are actually adding the money. So in my case, I'm using ICICI Bank, and here you need to go ahead and tap on the send money button. After you've done that, you need to go ahead and enter in the account number where you're actually transferring and all sort of details, and click on the proceed button. Next interface, you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount that you're transferring or that you're adding to the following application, and then you need to confirm by entering the transaction pin and all that, and confirm the information. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully transferred money from your bank account to Zebpay. So in that way, you can add money or deposit money into your Zebpay account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.